I'm Tanya Ross of TDR Academy, and this video is going to start to bring you through a gentle movement as recommended by the NOI group if you have tested positive on a radial nerve tension test. So hopefully you've just taken that video with us just to see whether you're positive, and if it is a positive result and you're getting some recreation of nervy symptoms down into the arm, then yeah, give this movement a go and hopefully it will help. So it's just called pouring water. So you're going to pour it out of a glass. So imagine you're holding a glass, so it's a wide fist. And then from there you're going to pour out the glass. So you're bringing the arm just a little bit across the body, you're turning it upside down, we're going into a bit of internal rotation and then back out again. You can watch it, the head is centered, it's maybe just looking a little bit to the side. But again, with that movement, go to an edge. If I start to feel symptoms here, that's where I stop. If I can take it the full movement with no symptoms, then I could work up to around about 10 of those. But wherever you get to, you're doing roughly about 10. This is a nerve glider, a floss, a slider, whatever you want to call it. But when you're going through them, good to do both sides, whether you get symptoms in both or not, just so it lets your body know how you're feeling and your brain know. But also just so you can differentiate what those sensations are that your body's telling you, because sometimes it can be confusing. But go through the movements, build up to 20 over the course of the week if it's not irritating. If it is irritating, please do see a medical professional just to make sure that yeah, you're not doing something which is inappropriate for your body, because there's other structures in there that we are moving to. So hopefully you find this useful. Please like the video and leave us a comment, and any results that you get would always be good to know whether this has been helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel and otherwise watch the next videos just to give you a few more movements just to add to your toolkit to help relieve potential tension in that radial nerve. Thanks for watching.